athletes, today we're going to look at substitution. And in this video, we will explore how to evaluate algebraic expressions by using a strategy called substitution. This means we'll replace variables with actual numbers to simplify expressions. You will learn how to substitute values into expressions with one or more variables. You'll follow the correct order of operations, or GEMA, to simplify accurately. And you'll combine like terms before substitution to make expressions easier to simplify. So let's find out how inserting values can help us solve expressions not only quickly but clearly. So let's look at this first example of substitution. We have the expression 4g plus 5 if g equals 8. So we're going to substitute g for 8 into the variable expression. So 4 multiplied by g plus 5. We replace the g with the number 8. And now we're going to simplify. Remember GEMA, so we need to multiply before we add. So the product of 4 and 8 is 32, and the sum of 32 and 5 is 37. So that would be what the expression 4g plus 5 equals if g equals 8. Now let's look at another example. This time we're going to combine like terms, we're going to use substitution, and we're going to simplify. So it's a few more steps. So we have 3x plus 2y minus 4y plus 5x minus 8. And notice we have two different variables. We have x and y. So let's say that x equals negative 2 and y equals 4. The first thing we want to do is group our like terms. So you notice that we have an x here, y here, and y here. So we want to put our x's together and our y's together. So I have 3x plus the 5x. I have the 2y plus the 4y, and then I have my constant, minus 8. Now we're going to combine our like terms. So if I have 3x plus 5x, I would have 8x. And 2y minus 4y is a negative 2y minus 8. Now we can substitute where our x equals negative 2 and y equals 4. So I have 8 multiplied by x plus negative 2 multiplied by my y minus 8. So I replace the x with a negative 2. I replace my y with a 4. And now I can simplify. Again, remember GEMA. We multiply before we add or subtract. So the product of 8 and negative 2 is negative 16. The product of negative 2 and 4 is negative 8. And now since it's adding and subtracting, we just go from left to right. So negative 16 plus a negative 8 is negative 24. Negative 24 minus 8 is negative 32. So for the expression 3x plus 2y minus 4y plus 5x minus 8, if x equals negative 2 and y equals 4, it would be equal to negative 32. So remember that substitution helps us evaluate algebraic expressions by replacing variables with known values. In this lesson, we learned how to practice substituting one or more variables into an expression. We followed the correct order of operations, or GEMA, to simplify step by step. And we combined the like terms to simplify before substitution. If you like this video, please click the like. Or leave a comment, or better yet, subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching.